So hey, what's up everybody? First of all, I would create a new file here which is headings.html, and after creating this I would press the shift and exclamation mark and tab. It would create a boilerplate for me. In the title I would write the headings, and there are total 6 headings in HTML, which is starting from h1. H1 means the most important heading. Okay, h1 is the most important. I will write here for you guys so that you guys can learn it later. So this is the most important heading in HTML, which is represented by h1, and then we have least important from h1, which is h2, and then we can go with like h3, and with h3 after we have h4 headings as well in HTML, and we also have h5 headings, and at the end we have h6, which is like the least important. Okay, I will write here for you guys. So this is least important HTML headings. There are only 6 headings for us in the HTML. This is like we will press this is heading 1, and this is heading 1, and I will paste it here, which is like heading 2, heading 3, heading 4. Okay, same. So this is heading 2 actually, and I would also show how it's like reflecting on the screen. So this is heading 4, sorry, heading 4. This is heading 5, and this is heading 6, which is like least important in the HTML. So if I run this file with the live server, it would show all the headings. Which had h1 is the largest one and most important one, and h6 is the least important and the smallest one. So that's how headings work in the HTML files. Hope you understood and enjoyed this video.